Good afternoon, students. My name is Professor Archana Gangurude. Now we have studied today for the introduction of PA system. In the exam, they ask the question as like this: draw the block diagram of typical cordless PA system. Explain in it details. So we need to just introduce PA system. So first we have done the introduction of PA system. PA system is nothing but public public address system. It is a public address system and which is called as electroacoustic system. Electroacoustic system. In this system, sound is first converted into the electrical signal. Electrical signal by using microphones. Then this electric signal is then amplified and proceed fed to the another transducer, loudspeaker, and converts into the audio signal. And that audio signal is again converted into the sound signal in the form of waves. So this one is a complete introduction of PA system. Then let us start with the what is the diagram of PA system. So basic diagram of PA system is this. This one is mixer. Okay, mixer is connected to the voltage amplifier. Then output of amplifier is connected to the process circuit. Then output of process circuit is given to the driver amplifier, and then it fed to the power amplifier, and lastly that signal is given to this loudspeaker. Okay, so first we need for PA system has a microphone. So number of microphones are 1 or 3. These are the microphones. These microphones are used to connect the sound to the system. So first we have seen that is the microphones. Microphone, it picks up the sounds. It picks up the sound from the surrounds and converts into them into electrical signal. So function is what? Pick up sound and convert into the electrical signal. Then another is the that signal, mixture signal is given to the voltage amplifier. So this signal is given to the first mixer. Then what is the function of mixer? Mixer is isolates the different channels. That is the function of mixer. Then third one is the output of mixer is given to the voltage amplifier. Then what is the function of voltage amplifier? It amplifies the output of mixer. Then next, output of voltage amplifier is given to the process circuit. So processing circuit, what is the function of processing circuit? It has a master gain control and tone control. These two controls are happening in the processing circuit. Then output of this processing circuit is given to the driver amplifier. Okay, so in driver amplifier it drives the power amplifier. Then power amplifier is amplify the power amplification. Then what happened in the power amplification? After power amplification, output of this power amplification is given to the loudspeaker, and loudspeaker has the electrical audio signal is converted to the variations of sounds. Okay, it converts into variation of sound. This one is the complete description of simple PA system. So what is the use of this PA system? The use of this PA system is it is used in a public meetings, sports meetings, functions, auditoriums, gatherings, etc. Also, it is used to convey the information to the isolated locations, just like the our railway stations, airports, hospitals, and concerns, etc. So this one is the block diagram of PA system and explain in detail in this way. Thank you.